Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody.
Welcome back, bots. Welcome to another video on my dancing channel. Of course, I have my vlog channel that will be linked below. If you're new to this channel, subscribe, turn that little bell on. But if you're not, then don't. Whatever. Just wait just a little bit for you to, leave a like, subscribe. Now, today's dance tutorial will be robot, more like animation, and a little bit how you can use your different type of dance style to the type that you want. So if you like waving, and you can do robot into waving. So I'll show different types of ways you can get into animation and robot into this video. Now first, I just want to say, name's KidBot. All socials will be linked below. I'm a dancer and YouTuber. Second, this is my vlog. This is my dancing channel. Vlog channel will be linked below. That's my second channel. And third, let's get into the video. So, some dancers look into different types of animals. Invertebrates move their heads quickly, or squirrels, or different types of animals. And then there's some dancers or people, like beginners, that look into machines or different ways some cars or different objects move. So from my dance past tutorial, when I did popping of the arms or in the chest too, is where you need to stop, and it's almost like a jolt. It's almost like a bolt of lightning going through your body, and or different bolts into each of your joints. Think of, if you want to go back to Transformers, the movie, you can just get inspiration for being a robot or moving like a robot from really anything. So how they transform. So if you're more into waving, then just do a little hit in the hips and just bring your back forward. And another way where you can represent as being a robot is just look fake. Don't look human. Don't look like you're going to move and just be all clumsy. Move like you would think a machine would move. So like how I think it's like ticking or stopping and then go. So more slower, but it just depends on your speed and the type of dance that you like to do. Alright, so that'll be the end of this dance tutorial, moving like a robot / animation, and how you would move like a robot on your own side. So either by your dance type of style that you like to do. Another part of moving like a robot is think of different ways you can move. It's almost a machine that is getting broken down. Different ways where you can think of a machine that is moving or breaking down. But this will be the end of this video, of this dance tutorial. Next one will be coming soon. Make sure you leave a like, comment down below which next type of dance that you would like me to do, and then some more dance videos will be coming out soon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and subscribe to my vlog channel, which will be linked below.